Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect your Wix website to your domain. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard, and I'm still setting up my website. In this case, it says a business. It's from a prompt I've made with AI for a previous tutorial, but that doesn't matter. As you can see, I have these steps which I can complete to set up my website, and as you can see, one of them, or the second one specifically, is connect to a custom domain. You can click here and then you can enter a custom domain that you have already, and you can connect your website to it. If you don't, you will need to pay for one, so it's best to have one in advance, but yeah, that's one of the ways that you can do this. The other way is you can go to your website editor just by clicking here on design site. You'll be taken to the website editor, and as you can see here, you have this HTTP here, or this URL here, and you have connect to your domain over here, and you can just click that as well, and as you can see, it opens up a pop-up of your dashboard, which looks something like this. It's basically just a copy of your dashboard, and it'll give you the same options to enter your domain, and then you can connect to your domain if you want to. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.